When it comes to enhancing the functionality, security, and aesthetic appeal of your home or business, one of the most impactful decisions you can make is to invest in professional door installation. Whether you're replacing an old door, upgrading to something more energy efficient, or simply refreshing your space, choosing a professional installer in Cayce ensures that you get the most out of your investment. Here are some compelling benefits of opting for professional door installation in Cayce. Expertise and experience. Professional door installers bring a wealth of knowledge and experience to the table. Installing a door may seem like a straightforward task, but it requires precision to ensure that everything fits correctly and functions smoothly. Professionals are well versed in various door types, including entry doors, patio doors, storm doors, and more. Their expertise ensures that the door is not only installed properly but is also fully functional for years to come. This knowledge extends to door hardware, weather stripping, and adjustments that may be necessary for optimal performance. Time saving. Installing a door is more time-consuming than most homeowners anticipate. Without the proper tools, skills, and experience, the process can drag on for days or even longer. When you hire a professional door installation company in Cayce, you can expect the job to be completed efficiently and quickly. Professionals have the right tools, a streamlined process, and the know-how to get the door installed within hours, so you can move on with your day. Enhanced security. A door isn't just a functional element of your home, it's also a key component of your security system. A poorly installed door can compromise your safety, leaving gaps that could be exploited by intruders. Professionals understand the importance of proper installation to enhance the security of your home. They ensure that doors are aligned correctly, sealed tightly, and secure within their frames. Whether it's installing high-quality deadbolts or ensuring that the door fits snugly in the frame, professional installers know how to optimize your door for security. Improved energy efficiency. An often overlooked benefit of professional door installation is the impact it has on energy efficiency. An ill-fitting door can be a major source of heat loss in your home, leading to increased energy bills. Professionals are able to properly insulate and seal your door, preventing drafts and minimizing energy loss. Whether you are installing an exterior door that faces the elements or a patio door leading into your living space, expert installation ensures that your door contributes to your home's energy efficiency. Aesthetic appeal. A well-installed door can dramatically enhance the curb appeal of your home. It is often the first thing visitors see and can set the tone for the rest of your property. Professional installers can guide you in selecting a door that complements the style and architecture of your home. From contemporary styles to classic designs, they offer insights into the best options for both visual appeal and functionality. The right door, installed properly, elevates the overall aesthetic and value of your home. Long-term durability. When a door is installed correctly, it has a much longer lifespan. Professional door installers ensure that the door is not only aesthetically pleasing but also built to last. Poor installation can result in wear and tear, such as sagging, misalignment, or difficulty opening and closing. Professionals take the time to make precise adjustments to ensure that your door functions properly for years. This means you won't have to deal with frequent repairs or replacements, saving you money in the long run. Compliance with local building code. Cayce, like many other cities, has building codes and regulations that must be followed when installing doors. These codes are designed to ensure safety, durability, and energy efficiency. Professional installers are familiar with the local building codes and will ensure that your door installation meets all required standards. This helps avoid potential fines and ensures your home complies with all legal requirements. Peace of mind. Finally, one of the greatest benefits of hiring a professional door installer is peace of mind. Knowing that the job is being handled by someone with expertise and experience alleviates stress and ensures that the project is completed correctly. You can trust that the door will be installed with care and precision, leaving you with a door that functions perfectly and enhances your home's value and security. In conclusion, professional door installation in Cayce offers a range of benefits, from expert installation to long-term durability and improved energy efficiency. By choosing a professional, you are investing in the security, appearance, and functionality of your home or business, ensuring that your door performs optimally for years to come.